Currently, the Comox Valley water system does not meet provincial requirements, which means residents using the system are not protected to current standards. Because of this, the CVRD is at risk of fines and penalties, including a freeze on development permits or a permanent boil water notice. Ensuring safe drinking water requires a two-pronged approach: protecting the watershed, which is in the traditional territory of the Comox First Nation, and treating the water provided to residents. While we're working with stakeholders to protect the Comox Lake watershed and improve water quality, upgrading our water treatment system infrastructure is necessary to provide a safe, secure, and consistent water supply. The total cost estimate for these improvements is $110 million. The Comox Valley water system currently holds reserves of $26 million. The CVRD plans to cover at least 50% of the total project cost through grant funding, which means a maximum of $29 million needs to be borrowed. This amount has been planned for in upcoming budgets and is estimated to cost an average of $86 per household per year for those connected to the water system. In 2018, the CVRD launched an alternative approval process to ask residents for permission to borrow up to $29 million to pay for project costs not covered by reserves or grant funding. Residents in opposition to the borrowing were able to complete an electoral response form. From February 1st to March 16th, the CVRD received 31 opposing responses. As this was fewer than 10% of the electorate, the CVRD can proceed with borrowing the necessary funds. In November 2018, infrastructure grant funding from the Government of Canada and Province of BC was secured, which will fund 50% of the project costs. This will minimize the cost to taxpayers, and the project is scheduled for completion in 2021. As an interim measure, the CVRD has installed a temporary ultraviolet treatment system at the existing chlorination station. This will significantly reduce turbidity-related boil water notices while the new system is under construction. For more information, visit www.comoxvalleyrd.ca/water treatment.